How to fix cleanup option not showing on iOS add-in. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like cleanup option not showing on iPhone iOS add-in. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll got search interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on general. Alright, so from the general section, tap on software update. Okay, so from the software update section, make sure that you have the updated the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. So from here, tap on update now, and after you update the latest version of iOS on your iPhone, you'll have to just back from here, and from the general section, you'll have to scroll down and go the option VPN and device management. Alright, so from here, make sure that you are not connected to a VPN, so you have to turn off the VPN from here. So after you done this from here, you'll have to just back from there, and from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and go the option screen time. Alright, so from the screen time section, you'll have to scroll down and go the option like content and privacy restrictions. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from this section, you'll have to turn on this feature like content and privacy restrictions. So after you turn on this, you'll be able to fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method to fix the cleanup option not showing on your iPhone iOS add-in. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.